Morning habits. What should you do in the morning and why? What are the benefits for you? Hi, my name is Lotfi Murat and in this video I would like to share with you my insights on morning habits. You probably have heard about them and you probably even have heard many of them, and then you're wondering, yeah, but I don't see myself doing this thing every morning or doing that thing in the morning. Really? No. So how can you make your mornings easy, comfortable, and having a huge impact on the rest of your day? And by that, the rest of your life. Well, a few things are important to understand when we talk about morning habits. For example, if you start by listening to the news, watching the news, reading the news, going on social media, you may get a lot of information that start to trigger things in you, emotions, thoughts, and let's be honest, 99% of what's in the news is hell, shit, crap, death, rape, stealing, war. Do you really want to start your day with that? I don't. I don't even want to end my day with it. I don't want to have it in the middle of my day. I don't want it in my day. So definitely, if you start with it in the morning, it will influence you. So your mood will go down. You will be like thinking about it during the day, and if you, for example, like me, where your job is to inspire people, to create things, like I record videos or write articles or record podcasts. But if you're a painter, if you're a team leader, if you're doing anything, basically, even if you're retired, sitting home, whatever you start your day with will influence how the rest of your day goes. So if you want to have a nice impact on people around you, for example, it helps to be in a good mood. So of course you could say, so I will start with watching videos which are funny, like, or listening to great music, gives me energy. Well, that's a good start. I used to start my days with the 2006 live concert of Yanni, which had a lot of energy in it. And I would just start my days blasting. I was still in the corporate world, and by the time I would arrive to the office, I was like, I mean, I had a few more habits, but all my colleagues were arriving to the office like, coffee, don't talk to me, it's early. Yeah, well, I was full of energy. I was joyful, happy. So starting with something that makes you feel good really helps. So what else could you start with? You could start, for example, especially if you need to create something, write down something, record something, create a course or teach something, then if that's the first thing you do in the morning, I mean after waking up, then it will be pure. So one habit which I started with is to take a moment for myself, 10-15 minutes, still laying in the bed or already out, not getting any impulses from the outside world, just staying with myself and see what comes up. Generally, that's how I have great ideas. That's how today I had 3 ideas for 3 different videos, and then another one came, a fourth one came after that. So it it works. A habit I did use during the winter was taking a warm bath. 1, sometimes even 2 hours. Having my phone on airplane mode next to me with the recording option ready, I could just press the button and record my insights. That's how I came up with most of the contents for my videos during the whole winter. Ideas for articles, for programs, for workshops, for trainings. All of that simply came because I took in the morning, before getting excited by other things, time with myself. Another thing you can do is to go for a walk in nature, in the park, or around your garden. Okay, around your garden you make multiple rounds then, unless you have a very big garden. It's calming, it's relaxing, and it also gives you time to let things come up. And what's inside you are not triggered by other external things. Some people prefer to exercise in the morning. If that's your thing, then do it. But with the exercising, I would start slow. So you still have time to let things come up. Because once you go in the extreme adrenaline, yeah, that's your focus. So exercising is nice, but don't start full power. And have your phone close by so you can record your insights. What would you like to teach? What would you like to share? What would you like to do? Sometimes you feel in the morning that today's the day I need to do this one thing. When you feel it, listen to it, because that's when it's going to be perfect. It's going to be the right moment. People will love it, or you will have the right tools to do what you need to do. Maybe not finish it, but at least what you're going to do is going to be perfect. That's how I woke up one day and I just knew now was the moment to finish what I started a year ago, which was a very big chunk on my website about new age children. 9 long pages, and the last one I could finish finally because I just knew that this was the moment. So I sat down, I found the information that was missing, I finished it, I published, and the feedback was huge from people. It was the right timing. And I had that a few more times with a few more things. So taking that moment with yourself is crucial. You can also decide to start with a glass of water with a half lemon inside it, squeezed. No sugar, no honey, no, just that. I do that because I also do intermittent fasting, but vitamin C on empty stomach gives you an energy boost. And then doing some exercises. So it's not about fitness, it's about strengthening certain muscles. You can also decide to do yoga or a combination. When I say yoga, it's not about how can I put my foot, no. It's about stretching so that the blood flow can be easy, so that the energy can flow through your body, the oxygen can get everywhere. That's why in the morning we generally we start by stretching because we need to, so that we can get into motion. The most important thing is to take some time for yourself, with yourself, before you start reading what's on your phone, on your email or whatever, listening to crap. No. Start doing this. You can alternate a little bit your habits if you want. If you don't want it to be boring, like every day the same thing. No, but just start with that me time. And the me time can be different every day. Start with it. And I guarantee you, you will see your productivity doing this. Please share in the comments your ideas, your experiences. Maybe you'll inspire me or inspire others. And if you have questions, you know where to find me. Contact me. And of course, if you like this video, press the thumbs up. And of course, if you like this video, press the thumbs up, subscribe, share, and see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.